haven't recorded it at all. This is the only recording I have.
Bro.
So basically, we're just cutting down to
We're cutting down trees because I want more of a view. Never looking out. I do not want to play in that parade, man.
Okay. Realize average viewer of my channel.
Okay, well, my school is doing a parade, and I don't want.
Yeah.
Because I do not remember the music whatsoever. Dude, we were so trash that we wouldn't get the other, our school has like 2 campuses, one for like high school, one for middle school. We have to get the other campus to come help us. Cause we suck that bad. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting stumped. We'll go back.
Alright, I got to level 10.
I'm level 14, bro. I'm level 14 in strength, dog.
Ow. Dropped my glider. I'm gonna go explore.
Hey, you can tell Kevin to get the logs now.
Alright.
Come here. Get logs, man. Okay.
Above you.
The bird slain. No, it's Dr. Aeon.
No, it's democracy.
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 You're gonna go spread the word.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. This is so loud.
Oh my gosh, it's so clear, man. Ooh.
There's a tree!
Oh, good one. Don't die.
I'm even higher up now. Yo, who joined? Pumpkin! Yo, you should totally join us. We're recording.
Yep.
I need to put the outfit in the
Bye-bye.
Oh. Hey, Toast! I'm even higher up now.
Oh.
Look up here.
What the fuck? How did that can't happen?
Yes, it does.
Creating more energy. You can't create more energy. That's not physics. literally just find a wall because it's right now.
Hey, Toast, look up! I'm moving higher!
Oh my god.
I'm gonna come down. Give me a
Running
second.
Pumpkin's little thing in the garage.
Alright, let me turn. Hey, Toast! Woo-hoo! Oh, Toast! Toast! Where am I?
Yeah.
Look how high I
Oh my
am.
god. That, how?
I don't know,
It
Spider.
doesn't make sense.
I think I know how. Wait. Watch.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Crazy. And the cannibal was insane.
There's
I
a
wish he
cannibal?
just made the game like. Oh, I mean, I wish he made a way like
Oh.
if there like there were any like a creative mode in there's just no cannibals. So basically, you can just like goof off and build.
Toast.
Air helicopter,
Look up.
but yeah, I see you.
I'm very high. I can literally see
So I hear a
everything.
helicopter.
I know.
Do you see it?
I see it! I'm gonna rock up! I actually got hurt by it. I'm gonna go buy the helicopter. I'm following the helicopter.
No, just don't die.
I'll be fine.
So you know the movie in Lion King where the light touches this car land? That's literally what's going on right now. That's literally what's going on.
I think the helicopter's fake, bro. I'm gonna use momentum.
Hey, drinking from that water actually gets you sick. I mean,
Hi.
you having fun up there?
Yeah. I'm learning how to go higher. Like you literally just go high, and then you're able to go high, and then you go back over here, and then you turn around again and you go higher. Like if I turn and do this, I just go high. I can't hear you now.
I'm rolling the log down.
Oh. Well, the helicopter's an event. It's nothing.
Oh. Wait, so we're not getting saved?
No. Yeah. Sadly. Toast! Mayday! Mayday! Yayday! Yoda!
On. You look like a bird, dog. I think that birds are actually bigger than you. You're so far up. You look like a bird. God, oh god. So you get in like a lot bigger very fast. Oh my god. Slow down. Running. Oh god. Oh my god. There's a lot of logs. Oh god. No! Nice. Got a lot of logs.
This is how it is normally. Oh no, my game. Oh, there we go. This is how it is normally for me. Do you wanna try?
Sure. I'll
Oh no, my game crashed. Oh no, my game crashed! My game actually crashed!
I'm gonna go save. I don't think I can save in time.
You got this.